Warning, this shocking security camera footage may disturb some viewers.
Dad put up the Christmas trees. He put lots of lights on this year.
How's it looking?
It looks great.
It's a bit of a wonky tree. I'm going to do something special this year and put a big tinsel spiral on it. What do you think?
Dad, I'm not sure if tinsel's okay with lights.
Don't worry dear, I've been doing this for years. These are just low voltage lights, it's not a problem.
I don't think we put tinsel on the tree last year.
A little bit more tinsel. Oh, that's a nice one. It's going to be much better than last year. You can't go wrong adding tinsel to a Christmas tree.
Dad, the tree! The lights are blown up!
Oh, crikeys. What happened?
Dad, are you alright?
Oh, yeah.
I told you it could be dangerous.
Call Mummy.
Mom! Mom! Dad blown up the Christmas tree and made a big mess. Now my dad has messed up the tree. Dad, look what you've done!
Don't worry, I can fix it. I can fix it. Don't tell Mummy. Don't tell Mummy about this, okay?
Okay.
Promise?
Oh.